Hi, I'm Swimming Pool Steve. You might recognize me from such international incidents as the Lincoln Memorial Reflecting Pool turning green. I've been doing some research lately because there's a lot of people and a lot of media asking me questions about what's going on here. And I was noticing something in particular that really stood out to me. And I just wanted to review the facts to share with you and see if you agree with my assessment of the situation. So as I see it, this is what's happening. The President of the United States of America, he's got a problem. And he needs a guy, like a super smart guy. And that guy's got to solve the problems. He's got to fix the reflecting pool. He's got to patch the liner. He's got to make the bubbles nano. And he's got to do it all in less than 2 weeks. And the only thing that guy has to do to figure this out is just figure out what plants crave. Well, if the president asks me to fix the reflecting pool, the only thing I can say is, I'm not sure. Okay, seriously though, guys, jokes aside, I'm aware this isn't a laughing matter or a joke, but could we just take a moment to appreciate that this is kind of crazy for me, Swimming Pool Steve. You know, my world kind of starts and ends with talking about swimming pools and being a aquatic specialist nerd, and it's a pretty small world, and recently that world has gotten a lot bigger for me. And I feel like the average person watching this video can probably, like, maybe not directly understand, but you can maybe sympathize with good old Swimming Pool Steve, that there's a lot going on here right now for me. But I wanted to share something with you because, you know, life is like that, and this is a little bit serious, but the reason why I'm Swimming Pool Steve is because when I was 12 years old, I was invited, let's call it, by my Uncle Joe to get into his pickup truck and hold the dumb end of the tape measure, as he called it. And I ended up doing that for years and years and years. And before I knew it, I had actually developed an incredible skill set, which I didn't even realize at the time was happening. And I attribute this to the one-on-one nature, working with the owner and operator directly. Like normally when you work with like a pool company, you'll kind of get typecast in a certain role and you're the plumber or you're the concrete guy. And when you work with an owner and operator directly, you do everything from beginning to end. And so I got exposure to that from a really early age. And I mean, there's a ton of stuff that's happened since those days, but 100% my origin story is not hard to find here. So that brings me to the point that my mentor, Uncle Joe, 3 days ago had a quadruple bypass operation. There's been some complications, and I found out earlier today he is on life support. And with all this going on, I just couldn't not mention this and make this video and say, Uncle Joe, I hope you get to see this one day. I love you, and good luck.